3, 2, 1.
Hi everyone, it's Lewis here from Outlaw Pro. You join me on a quick session in which I'm going to teach you a little bit more on how to set up the Carp Royale bait boats. Today we're using the King. This is actually my personal boat, but I wanted to make a simple, easy to use guide to show you how to calibrate the boat, calibrate the handset and the compass correctly, and show you how to find those spots using GPS, autopilot, and obviously showcasing the fish finder, which is all available on the main screen. Okay, so I'm going to teach you the process of setting up and calibrating the boat itself. First of all, you'll get the main screen, which looks like so. All the information on there you need. You've got your signal, your satellite signal with the antenna on, your boat battery power, the handset battery power. On the side here you've got the depth range, the temperature range as well. This bar here is showing the contours of the bottom, and then in the bottom left hand corner you've got the boat section itself, in which you've got the hoppers that you can use, as well as the hook clips at the back. And then you've got the onboard compass, so you're always able to determine which direction the boat's actually facing. You've got the start and stop as well, which you'll come across with the go section here when we're looking at the all-important GPS settings. So quite user-friendly, very simple to use, and a big screen, so it's extra visual. I've actually turned the light on by using this button here, so it lights up the screen and it's a great visual. But right now I'd like to talk you through the calibration process. First of all, set the menu. Brings you up the menu screen, and it's very easy to see there, calibrate boat compass. So you'll take, by using the arrows here up and down, you'll come up to calibrate boat compass and select. Always do the boat first to make sure that that is set and ready to go before you do the handset. To select it, you press the power button once. It will then bring you to a different screen. It says please drive your boat towards open waters, and then press the power button. You'll notice the boat doing a full rotation on the screen whilst performing the exact same movement out in open water automatically. Okay, so in order to know that that process is completed, you'll see the boat do a full rotation at 360 degrees to the right, and then it will complete a full rotation of 360 degrees to the left. Once it's completed, it will bring you straight back to the menu homepage. We're now going to calibrate the RC compass, which is one above it, and we do that by selecting the menu arrow up and simply pressing the power button once to take us into that setting. It says please calibrate your RC handset compass. Please move the remote control handset with a figure of 8 shaped twice in the air. It's now giving us a countdown of 30 seconds whilst rotating the handset in this fashion. You're calibrating the handset by doing so, and you can take it both ways. Not just that, within the time frame, flick it over as well, the odd time, just to make sure you get every angle possible. So once all the calibration's completed, we're then going to go into the operational settings to look at the GPS section. So that's simply by pushing the double arrow circles here. Once done so, you're going to get the main screen of your GPS of the home location, and of course the boat location. Now you have to set these, it's not automatic. So at this moment in time the boat's in open water. I'm going to bring it into the location in which I want to set to home, which is obviously then directly in front of me. Once done so, with it flashing, I press the set button. If you want to reset the home position, if you move to another swim or you move to a different lake, that's fine. You hold the set button for 3 seconds and it will clear it completely. You'll notice it's clear because it's gone to a, there's no bold writing, it's gone to a simple flash screen with no boldness behind it. So I'm going to set it to the home now. GPS location brings the boat back, set, it goes bold. That's now stored the home location for these GPS settings, and you do exactly the same when you set into a channel for finding once you've found your spot. Okay, so using the GPS setting, now you've found your spot and you're happy with it, you go into the channel setting in which you can already see home and that's flashing, but you use the plus and minus to take you to the 30 other channels that are available. Remember, there's 31 channels including the home section. So you simply press the plus and it will take you to channel 1. Now I've found my spot out there, I'm going to press set, and that's the GPS location of my spot onto channel 1. So I know every single time that I use it, I can press channel 1 by selecting plus or minus, press go, and it will take my bait and my rig exactly where I need it every time. Okay, so I found my first spot and I've set that accordingly. I now found my second spot and I want to set it. So this is how you do it. Very simply, you can see that it's flashing on the number 2 channel, and I've got the GPS locations down the bottom of 0, but the boat's in the correct spot that I want it, so now I press set. You'll notice that it's set because it goes bold background. Really straightforward, really easy. Now to go back to home, because I want to bring the boat back to me, I select through the channels by going minus, taking it to the home screen, press go, and that boat's going to automatically return to the home location, which is just in front of me in my swim. So another great feature on the boat, apart from having the main hoppers, is the hook release system at the back. You've got them on the King, also on the other boats too, but you'll have to look carefully for them. It's very simple. You put your hook on there. If you want to drop a single bait in the precise exact spot that you've chosen, you can do so. Hook it over, push the hook release button, which is on the handset, which looks like an anchor. Push that, you'll hear the big bolt go dunk, and very simply, your rig will be placed where you want it. Super. So there we have it, everyone. A quick review on the Carp Royale bait boats that are available at Outlaw Pro. What a wonderful piece of equipment, does everything that I personally needed to do, and I like to get out on the bank as often as possible, as I'm sure you do too. It's a great boat. They come in 3 different sizes, as I say, the King, the Imperator, and of course the Baron. Whichever one tickles your fancy, they are available for you. Remember, there's a 5% off of the membership cards too that are available at Outlaw Pro only, so you can do that online, put it into the cart, and away you go for that VIP membership. An all-round great boat, GPS, fish finder, autopilot, great location devices with all of that involved. What can I say? What a brilliant piece of kit, and I can't wait to get out on the bank and use it again. Cheers everybody.